Do you really want your affiliate marketing business to get off the ground and really start growing? If that's the case, then you definitely want to tune in for today's lesson. Let me show you guys something. All right. This is something that I've been able to do. All right. And you in my affiliate marketing business, and you'll see these type of commissions come in. And when we're talking about affiliate marketing, we're talking about that passive type of income, right? And a lot of it is through email, believe it or not. All right. So no worries. I know you've been trying to get your affiliate marketing business off the ground and get it pumping. I'm going to show you that. So you definitely want to stick around to the end. Now, first off, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Whether you happen to be watching on YouTube or you happen to be watching on Facebook. All right. Show me some love. Drop me down below in the comments. Let me know where you're tuning in from. I'm tuning in from the Carolinas. All right. And I am better known as Coach D. All right. And my whole thing is I'm all about helping online entrepreneurs, online marketers be able to increase in their business, whether it's more leads, more sales, so that you can generate the income that you deserve. And I do that by focusing on what I call the 3 M's of entrepreneurship. Okay. That is the mindset, the marketing, and multiple streams of income, baby. All right. Now, today, the one that we're going to focus on is the marketing side. Okay. So if you enjoy more marketing tips like this that you're about to receive, then definitely go ahead, subscribe to my channel. All right. If you're on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. All right. And hit the little bell icon that's next to it so you can be alerted next time I come out with some content for you. All right. All right. Now, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to actually show you how to use Getresponse to grow your affiliate marketing business. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to do that specifically, so you're going to be good to go. And like I said, you want to stay tuned to the end because you already know I got a cool bonus for you, baby. All right, so hang in there for that. Now let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, let me show you what you're going to need so that you know exactly how this is laid out. Let me put it in some visual format. All right, now when you're going to try and build your list, right, and grow your affiliate marketing business, you actually have to build your list, right, to be able to grow that. Because think about it, if you want to make the income, right, from just sending out some emails, right, of your affiliate marketing products, you got to get people on the email list. So let's take a look real quick at what that means. All right, so that means you'll have a page here, right, better known as the opt-in page, right, where people can go ahead and opt in and decide to give you their email address. Now, one thing I definitely have to mention on this page here, it's best if you have something like a lead magnet, right? Like a free ebook or something, basically something of value that you can give people to basically entice them to go ahead and give you the email address, right? So let's just say we have like a free book on how to grow an email list. All right, let's say you're going to give away a free book on how to grow an email list. Okay, now before you say, well, D, I don't have this, I don't have a lead magnet, I don't have this book to give away for free. No worries, guys, I'm going to give you an opportunity to get that as a bonus. All right, so chill out, I got you. All right, so first off, you have the opt-in page, right, and you have a lead magnet, which in this case is going to be a free book telling people how they can actually build their email list, right? So obviously your audience is going to want that book, right? They're like, okay, yeah, I want to build my email list because they want to know how to make money too, right? So what they're going to do is they're going to go ahead and they're going to give you their email address, right? They're going to give you their email address, okay? And once they do that, this is where Getresponse actually takes over, because that email address, right, is now going to drop down into your email list for Getresponse. And this is where Getresponse comes in and starts taking over. Okay? Because now you have a list of subscribers on your list. All right? Now you say, okay, great, D, I have, Getresponse and everything, and I have people who wanted this ebook, and now they're on my email list. Now, how is that going to actually grow your affiliate marketing business? Check this out. Once people get onto your list, what's going to happen then? Then you're going to be able to send out offers. You're going to be able to email them. Yeah, you're going to be able to email them different offers. Let's say you have a ClickBank offer, right? You're going to be able to email out a ClickBank offer, right, out to that list. let's say you have an offer for a make money online opportunity, right? Make money online opportunity. You're going to be able to email that out to the list, right? So you're going to be able to email out your affiliate offers. So let's put this up here, your other affiliate offers, right? And each time that you email out that list that you have, right, inside of GetResponse, more and more people are going to see your emails, and then that's when you have the chance of people actually buying your affiliate marketing products, right? Your affiliate products. Once they buy those products, that means that's money in the bank for you. Let's put this over here. This is going to be a bank. Don't laugh at my drawing, right? But this is money in the bank for you. And that was the result of those emails that you guys saw, on that proof pic, guys, because this absolutely works. And this is actually how I do it, using GetResponse to build my affiliate marketing business. Now here, let me show you one of my highest converting affiliate marketing offers. All right, as you can see here, this is one of my affiliate marketing offers that I've been actually sending out emails through GetResponse, right, to build this affiliate marketing business. And you can see here, I've accumulated about $700 in commissions. And guys, most of this, I'm not even gonna lie, most of this came while I was sleeping or just waking up, right? Because it was through email, so it was super, super passive, and GetResponse made it very easy for me to be able to build it up. And what I'll do is I'll make sure that I leave a link down below in the description, okay? If you're watching this on YouTube, be in the description. If you're watching it on Facebook, I'll make sure I get it to you, all right? So you can check out my #1 affiliate marketing type of offer. So that way, hey, you can add that to what offers you have. And when you pick up GetResponse, you'll be well on your way. All right, now as you see here, we're looking at the pricing for GetResponse, all right, because you're definitely going to need to pick this up. Now, you get a free trial, all right, when you click the link down below. I'll make sure that I leave the first link in the description will be a link so you can take an absolutely free trial for GetResponse, all right? And then after the free trial, there's different plans that you can choose, right? And I'd recommend starting with the basic plan, and right here is just $15 a month, and that's if you have an email size of 1,000 subscribers or less. And a lot of times when you're just starting with building your affiliate marketing business, you don't have any subscribers yet, so definitely this basic plan is going to be where you need to start. That's where I started as well. And with this basic plan, you're going to be able to collect those subscribers, build up your email list and be able to send out unlimited emails, right, to the people on your list and sending them those offers that you have, your other affiliate marketing products that you have for them to buy from you. That way you can do like me and make a couple dollars in your sleep. Yeah, that sounds good, doesn't it? And remember, I told you I have a cool bonus for you, all right? So when you become a GetResponse customer, all right, a new customer for GetResponse, and you use my affiliate link directly down below, okay, you're actually going to get this bonus. Check this out. Remember I told you, all right, how about you, if you already had that lead magnet, to be able to start attracting people and get them on your list, right? I'm going to actually give you this lead magnet. It's an ebook of 4 steps to a profitable email list. All right, so you're going to get that as a bonus when you sign up for GetResponse with my link down below. And like I said, I'll make sure that's the first link in the description so you can rock out with that on a free trial. Now, I know you found this super helpful, right? And you found this valuable, all right? And if you have, definitely, if you're watching this on Facebook, throw me some comments down below. Let me know if this has helped you out, right? If you happen to be watching this on YouTube, definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button, okay? And ring that bell so you can be alerted the next time I come out with some content. Other than that, guys, you already know. This is Coach D, and what we're going to do, we're going to take this right to the top. All right, here we are.